Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going step by step through the PS4 12.52 jailbreak using HenLoader LP 1.0. Simple, clear, and easy to follow. This release brings together the Lapse exploit by Gazin, which works on firmware 9.00 to 12.02, and the brand new Poops exploit by the Flow, extending support all the way up to 12.52. If you've been wanting to unlock new features, mods, and customizations on your PS4, you're in the perfect spot. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and for more console guides and tutorials, and let's get started! Go to Settings, then go to Network, and disable Internet. Then under System, Automatic Downloads, turn everything off. Now's the best time to check your firmware. This jailbreak supports 9.00 to 12.52. On 9.00 to 12.02, you can use Lapse or Poops, but on 12.52, only Poops works. Prepare the armory. You'll need a BDRA disk and a BD writer. The Chipatonic writer works, links in the description. On your PC, download HenLoader LP 1.0 and grab the ISO file. Next, download IMGBURN. Links are in the description. Once everything is installed, insert the BDRA disk. Ready the HenLoader ISO and open IMGBURN. Select write image to disk. Drag in the ISO, set the slowest write speed, check verify, then click write. Same steps apply whether you're updating a BDRA disk or doing it for the first time. Click yes. If your BD writer doesn't auto-close the tray like my Chipatonic BD writer, just close it manually and click OK. Watch the IMGBURN logs at the bottom. If it says wait, then wait. Hearing this sound means it's a good sign. You've succeeded so far. All done. Grab the disc and head to the PS4. Now, it's the moment of truth. Let's see the success rate of this jailbreak. I prefer not to launch the jailbreak immediately. Instead, I wait about 5 to 10 seconds before executing, giving the system enough time to be fully ready. In this run, I'm choosing Poops to test it out and demonstrate for our 12.52 PS4 users. If it fails on the first try and says reboot PS4, just reboot. Do not skip it or you'll risk a crash or black screen. Simply close the app and restart the PS4. On the second boot, I chose to run Lapse first since it's more stable for my firmware and helps me confirm whether the BDRA disk was properly burned with the HenLoader ISO. Lapse worked flawlessly on the first try, confirming the BDRA disk files are intact. Now it's time to focus only on Poops. Watch the next 5 attempts. Focusing on Poops. Third try. Boot the disk. Wait a few seconds. Press circle. And it worked. The jailbreak works and should for 12.52 PS4 users. Now onto the 4th attempt. Doing well so far. Now onto the 5th attempt. Each time we reach this part, I keep the video uncut so you can clearly see how fast and how long each execute takes. It failed this time. Nothing's perfect. Just reboot the PS4. Here comes my second to last attempt. Let's see. Success! Now let's move to the final attempt so we can conclude afterward. In conclusion, on Firmware 11.02, this exploit delivered solid results with both Lapse and poops. Even though it's built for the higher 12.52 firmware, where system security is tougher than older versions, it remains the best go-to method. With this, you can easily launch and enjoy your backup games on the fly. Since HenLoader doesn't include pre-built homebrew apps, let's head back to the PC to download the essentials and optional ones, starting with Homebrew Store. Make sure you select Download for PS4. Next, head to the Console Filter tab, then choose PS4. Next, search for Itemzflow. Scroll down and click Download for PS4. Next, Apollo Save Tool. Then PS4 Xplorer, the Avatar Changer, and the PS4 Cheats Manager. Now open the folder with the package files, then drag and drop the files onto a formatted exFAT USB flash drive. You can now safely remove the USB flash drive, and let's head back to your PS4 to install all these packages. To install PS4 packages, open GoldHen, Debug Settings, Package Installer, then select Install All. At this point, your app should appear on the main PS4 dashboard. After installing all apps, enable the network connection to start updating them. Begin with the Homebrew Store. From here, go to Updates. Press X on it. Then press X on Apollo Save tool and update it. Adding avatars is optional, but if you'd like to, you'll need the avatar changer by Lapse. And there's nothing to update here. PS4 Xplorer is an essential tool where most tasks are carried out. Nothing to update as well. And this is Itemzflow that lets you make game dumps and unlock tons of cool stuff. With Itemzflow updated, we can close the app and proceed updating the next one. Next up is my favorite app, PS4 Cheats Manager. Since we're already online, it's easy to update. Just select cheats, patches, and plugins via the internet. With all apps updated, we can now organize them into a single folder to make PS4 dashboard look neat and less crowded. Open Add to New Folder. Enter the folder block and give it any name you like. Press R2 to finish. Scroll down to Content and choose Select. Mark all the installed apps to group them into one folder later on. Then hit Confirm. You'll be brought back to this screen. Now, sort by selecting the items you want to move and place them wherever you prefer. Remember to press OK when finished. If you cancel, you'll have to start organizing from the beginning. Well, that's pretty much it. We've tackled everything in this tutorial, and now it's time to test a PS4 game. I truly hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth tutorials just like this. And hey, if you've got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I'll be happy to check them out. We've now got a full PS4 setup on 12.52 with all apps updated and backup games running flawlessly thanks to HenLoader Jailbreak. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. I really appreciate your time and support. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love!